Yo, what is up you guys? It's Andrew back with another video. Today I've got a quick little unboxing for you guys. This is a recent pickup of mine from StockX. I don't have much of a backstory on the shoes. It was just a nice little under retail pickup from StockX, like I said. Now, typically when I order from StockX, the box comes in perfect condition. There's bubble wrap. I guess I got the end of the rope there, and sadly, box got a little damaged on the way in. Not a big deal though, because you're not wearing the box. Now the label here shows Air Max 90 NRG. Retail is $140, and I picked these up for $88 before shipping and handling and all that. And as you guys know, if you ever bought anything from StockX, they do come with the tag right there showing what you bought, what you paid for it, the condition it was in. So this is the Air Max 90 Lahar, I want to say, Escape. So part of the Escape collection, they've been doing the Escape packs for damn near 20 years now. There's an old unboxing video on my channel somewhere where I unbox a pair of Air Max 90s from the Escape pack from back in 2014. And I actually ended up selling those. I've been trying to find a pair of those for a good price, but those are going for like 250 plus. And that was another one that I picked up for under retail, so it's a little interesting to see where these prices will go. It's a little thank you card from the people at StockX for purchasing something, so a nice little Travis Scott Jordan 1 there. And getting right into the shoes, let me break these out real quick. So getting up close and personal with the Air Max 90 Lahar Escape, you guys can see it has a multitude of colorways aside from the StockX tag, which actually, just in case you guys need to know what to do with your StockX tags. So after you buy a pair of shoes from StockX, one thing you can do with that tag is just tear that shit off. You already know it's authentic. If you're going to wear the shoe, why even bother keeping the tag on there? So here is the Air Max 90 Lahar Escape up close and personal. As you guys can see, it has a multitude of different colors. You've got an off-white, beige, or almost bone color on the upper here. Hits of olive on the eyelets, the swoosh, the wedge, and the logo, as well as on the Nike Air on the back right there. Black and light tan on the mudguard, and on the tongue, which I think is a pretty interesting little detail, is the word Lahar. Now I really wanted to get a pair of these in hand so I can take a look and see what kind of material they're working with. From what I can tell, it does have that nice premium leather all throughout the upper, which I'm a big fan of. Let me actually see what colors they used. Alright, so I just read the color code on the box there. This is an olive. This is actually what they're calling alligator. So it's definitely a different kind of green than what I was expecting. Along with the leather liner, you got the alligator green Nike Air on the insole there. And it's a light cream is what they're referring to this color here, the suede on the mudguard. And of course you gotta take a look at both shoes when you unbox everything. It does come with an extra pair of black laces. I'm not sure how those will look, but I'm honestly quite interested to see what they'll look like. I'm a big fan of the alligator green. It's unlike anything I have in my collection right now. For that reason, I really wanted to get my hands on a pair of these. So there you have it, the Lahar Air Max 90 Escape 2019 edition. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, comment below what you guys think, and of course, subscribe for more content. Till next time, this is Andrew signing off. Peace.